We spend thousands on our cars, on gas, insurance, and maintenance. But what if the smartest money you could spend is just a few bucks? These aren't just accessories. They can protect your car, save you time, and keep you safer on the road. Here are the best purchases you can make for your car that actually make a difference. Let's go. Now, God forbid you end up in an accident, and it's your word versus theirs. Well, a dash camera can actually make the difference between owing thousands and winning your claim. Dash cameras have come a long way. For under $100, you can get one that records in crystal clear HD, works at night, and even stays on when your car is parked. That means it's watching for hit and runs or vandals even when you're not around. Plus, some models include GPS to track your routes, speed, and impact forces, crucial evidence if anything goes sideways. A clean car isn't just about looks. It can impact your comfort, but also the value of your car over time. That's why we have the cordless vacuum. Small, powerful, and rechargeable, this little tool lets you tackle crumbs, dirt, and pet hair anywhere. No cord and no hassle. Regular cleaning stops dirt and debris from grinding into your seats and carpet, which means less wear and tear. And the best part, you can keep it in your car for quick cleanups immediately after a mess is made, not when you get home from a road trip or after work. Now, dead batteries can happen to anyone. Let's say you left a light on in your car, or it's really cold out, right? But having a jump starter can be a lifesaver. Now, these devices have enough punch to actually jumpstart your battery without needing another car. Now, many models double as phone chargers and flashlights, of course, which are perfect for emergencies. But if you prefer the classic route, you need to keep a good quality set of jumper cables in your car. But just remember, they only work if you find a friendly neighbor with a working car. Have you ever dropped your phone, keys, or coins in that dark abyss between your seat and the center console? Well, a car seat gap filler is a simple insert made out of leather or foam that you put in that space to prevent anything from falling through. Now, it might sound minor, but this small purchase can save you tons of frustration and distraction while driving, and that's a real safety bonus. And some models even have extra pockets to hold your phone, cards, or parking passes. Something that's very essential for your car is a first aid kit, because you have no idea when something could happen, a bruise, a cut, or even something more serious. Now, a first aid kit designed for cars contains the basics, like bandages, antiseptic wipes, gloves, and scissors. And even if you've never used one, having one means you're ready for roadside emergencies or helping others. Plus, some kits come with reflective emergency blankets or whistles for extra safety. Flat tires can be frustrating, but that's exactly why you need to have a tire emergency kit. Now, this kit includes the following: a tire hole patcher, which temporarily seals small punctures so you can drive safely to a repair shop instead of being stranded. A mini toolkit, screwdriver, plier, tire pressure gauge, and more, which is perfect for quick fixes and safety checks. And a car jack and a 4-way tire iron, which are essential tools to change a tire quickly and safely, with better leverage and multiple socket sizes. Together, these tools can help you handle a flat tire or minor repairs without calling roadside assistance. Now, these next tools actually depend on your climate and location. So if you live in a colder climate, these winter essentials can be a lifesaver. A warm coat and blanket can keep you comfortable when you're driving or if you get stranded in freezing temperatures. An ice scraper clears your windshield quickly, improving visibility and safety before you hit the road. Also, a windshield snow cover can make removing snow quickly and barely an inconvenience. And if you live in a warmer climate, then a sunshade, which protects your dashboard and keeps your car cooler when parked in the sun. And also sunscreen when you're driving to protect your skin. Now, these smart purchases only cost a few bucks, but they can save you time, money, and headaches down the road. So let me know in the comments down below which ones you already have and which ones surprised you the most. And with that, I'm Evan, and thanks for watching. If you liked what you just saw, then click on the video here. Also, if you haven't, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos.